Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Hassan. Now we are in Digital Electronic Lab for Faculty of Engineering Technology. For this section, I want to introduce you about the equipment that we have and then the safety procedures that we need to done after we do the experiment. Okay. The first one that we have, that equipment that we have in this lab. The first one is a DC power supply. Okay, and then the second one is oscilloscope. The third one is the audio signal generator, right? And then the fourth one is the digital multimeter. And then this one is the desktop digital analog trainer. The back one is the digital analog trainer. Okay. So the main thing that we use for this microcontroller is AVR development board. Okay. So the microcontroller that we use is Atmega 32. Okay. This is a AVR development board, and then this is the adapter that we supply power to AVR development board, and then this very important things. The important part of our subject is programmer. Okay, we use the USB AVR RISP SP2. Okay, this is for programmer. Okay, if you have the, I think that we want to do the first experiment. Okay, that the thing that we need to do is draw the circuit. Okay, we use the Proteus software to draw the circuit, and then you can see, okay, this one sample that we use Proteus software to draw the circuit, and then after we finish draw the circuit, we make the program. Okay, the program that we use is we use software AVR Studio 5.1 version. Okay, and then we write the program depends on the question, and then we can compile. Okay, after we finish make the program, we compile and we get the hex file. The hex file we use to simulate. Okay, we can simulate the function of the circuit, and then we can check the functioning of the circuit. Alright. After finish, we draw the circuit, we do the program, we need to burn the software into this AVR microcontroller. Alright, so we need to do the connection between AVR microcontroller to PC and then the power supply. Okay, together with programmer. Alright, so the question point that we must know, if we use this AVR microcontroller board, we can connect to this one sample for the hardware. Okay, we cannot give the power to AVR microcontroller board during we do the connection. Okay, we must use offline. Okay, we must use offline, and then we can make the wiring between our hardware to microcontroller board. Okay, the connection between programmer and then AVR development board, I can explain for the first experiment. Okay, this is for the adapter. Okay, that is adapter function to give power to the AVR microcontroller board. Okay, this power only, okay, you can use after finish connection between hardware and this AVR controller board. Okay, during the wiring you cannot give power to AVR microcontroller board. Okay, make sure this adapter power off during wiring. You do the wiring, right? Okay. The last one, okay, if you want to use a DC power supply, okay, you want to use DC power supply, the first thing is you cannot directly connect, okay, this wire to the hardware. Okay, you must check the power. Okay, better you use the multimeter. Alright, you do the connection first, and then you power on the power supply, right? And then you measure the value. Okay, you measure the value first. For example, 12 volt. Okay, for example, 12 volt. And then after you confirm the value is 12 volt, okay, and then you power off first, and then after that you can connect this wire to the hardware. Alright, make sure the power, okay, the value of the power supply first, and then after that you connect the power. Okay, the first caution, okay, the very important things, if anything happen, you must know what is the emergency button stop. Okay, make sure there are no avoidance at the front of the emergency button. Okay, if anything happen, you can directly push the power off. Alright, I think that's all for this session. Okay, we can continue after we do the experiment. Okay, thank you.